Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol LI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But overall, a very impressive move on the day. And when you stop and think about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and then since then has now been able to work its way back up to where it has, that's been a good, solid move. But that does bring about the next question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? And I have no idea, but by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area, and that area is down here at the $33 mark. Now, don't get me wrong. I'm not saying this is what's going to actually happen, but let's say that the price comes down here to 33, behaves in that manner, then continues on down. What would you have at that point? Well, from a very literal point of view, you'd have the price right back to where it was down around those lows. And not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. On the flip side of things, let's say the price were to come down here, behave like this, around that area, and then start to work its way back upwards. Now, in this situation, what would you have? Well, now all of a sudden, you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upward direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see a truly strong move do. It's going to make progress. And again, in this situation, quote unquote, progress being defined as $33. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, it is all about that pink line right there, the 200 period moving average. You can see just time after time after time today, the price can never quite get above that area. And then we'll just call that value right there around 35.85 moving forward. So keep a close eye on that. But overall, nice bounce today. Not just a question of can the price build upon this momentum moving forward. Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.